Okay, so this is one of my favorite hacks. I've been doing it for years and I use it for 3-ring binders, and here I'm going to show you how I do it for my Happy Planner. I love using this small planner because it fits in my purse and I can haul it around with me everywhere, but it doesn't always have a lot of room for writing, so this is how I extend my space. Once it's in your notebook, this hack will allow you to almost double your writing space. You will need paper that fits your notebook and something to trim it with, as well as the hole punch that fits your binder and some tape. To begin with, you will need 2 pieces of paper that are the correct size for your notebook, and they need to be hole punched for your notebook. I am trimming mine down from a larger piece of paper because I've been having a hard time getting supplies. After my pages are the correct size, I hole punch them with my Happy Planner hole punch, and it's conveniently set up with a line in the middle and then lines to show me where to place my page if I'm using the correct size for the Happy Planner. Here are my 2 pieces of paper that fit my notebook. Next, I'm going to trim down 2 pieces of paper that fit the height of my notebook but are actually narrower so that when they fold over, they will leave room for the binding. Now I have 2 sets of paper like this that we can fold one piece over on the other and leave room for the binding. Next, I use washi tape to connect them, and I leave a little space between the 2 pages so they can fold comfortably. I often use cellophane tape for this same job, but it's super cute if you use washi tape, and then from the side of your journal you can also spot your pages and flip to them easily. I like to use one long piece of tape for both sides, leaving a tab at the top and carefully making sure it's tight at the bottom and making sure it's even all the way up, and then landing it right on that tab I left at the top. After the tape is in place, I smooth it out and then trim. Now you have a page that will fold over and fit perfectly into your notebook. It's time to repeat this process with the other side. Just remember that if you are using paper that looks different on each side, you'll want to make sure that you have the insides on the inside and the outside on the outside, just like you would if you were sewing. The width of your paper that does not have the hole punches is always going to need to be narrow enough so when you fold it over, it does not overlap the holes. And there you have it, a simple way to take 4 small pieces of paper and make it so that you can open up 2 pages into an almost double wide spread for any notebook you want. I'm going to put mine into my small Happy Planner, and then it will be ready for me to use to make my bullet journal pages. I hope that you will join me for that video as well, and I'm going to link that in the description as soon as I upload it, which is not done yet. I will also link the strawberry picture in the description. I hope you found this helpful and that I see you here next week.